Good morning. It is Monday, February 10th. I'm at the gas station. Please ignore the sounds in the back. Mostly doing this to document having a really bad day today. My breathing is horrible. I will probably have to go to the emergency room or urgent care and get a breathing treatment. I was never like this before I moved into that apartment. Never. But this is my life now. I can barely breathe. This is so wrong. It's wheezing, and you can feel it in my chest. I'm so disgusted. I find out now that it's not just mold in the apartment. It is the lead-based paint dust that is also making me sick. And I'm still fighting with this damn landlord. It appears that the way she works her occupancy is to just wait for her tenants to die off. The conundrum is nobody wants to leave because they've been living there so long, their rent is so low. They don't want to leave because they can't afford to live anywhere else. So you just live there and deal with the molds, the lead-based paint, and all the other infractions that the code enforcement has told her that she needed to fix a long time ago. She just waits for her tenants to die. That's ridiculous. That is ridiculous.